Ever wondered how Charlie Dens crafts those mesmerizing progressive house tracks that just pull you in? First, let's dissect his arrangement style. Notice how he builds tension gradually using layered percussion, subtle automation, and delayed chord progressions, creating anticipation for the main melodic theme. Next, sound design is key. Charlie Dens often uses heavily processed saw waves and detuned oscillators for his signature lead sounds, with a generous dose of reverb and delay to create a spacious and atmospheric feel. He carves out space for each element in the mix by carefully eking frequencies and uses cytokine compression on the bass line, triggered by the kick drum, to create that signature pumping effect. Charlie Dens frequently employs calend response melodies between different synth parts, adding layers of harmonic interest and making his tracks melodically engaging. Automating parameters like filter cutoff, volume, and panning throughout the track adds subtle movement and keeps the listener engaged, preventing the track from becoming repetitive. Lastly, his tracks are meticulously mastered, ensuring a wide dynamic range, punchy low end, and crisp high frequencies, making them sound massive on any sound system. By understanding these core elements: arrangement, sound design, mixing, and mastering, you'll be well on your way to crafting your own compelling progressive house tracks in the style of Charlie Dens. Experiment, have fun, and let your creativity flow.